If we go to Arduino IDE and start looking for the ESP8266 library, so we can't find it. And if we go to Tools and then we go to the Board Manager and start looking for the ESP library, then again we can't find it. So to install the library, it's very simple. So we need to go to the github.com/ESP8266/Arduino, and if we scroll down, there is a URL. We need to copy that, and then we go back to Arduino IDE, click File, Preferences, and then simply paste the URL in the additional Boards Manager URLs. If we go to Tools now and then Board Managers and then write ESP8266, here we go. Now we have the library, and if we simply and also we can pick the version we want to install and then simply just click Install. We wait a few seconds for the library. Okay, now install the boards. Completed. Simply click Close. Go to Tools, Board, and then we have the ESP8266 boards and also the version we installed and all the modules included. And I guess this is all. Thanks for watching.